guys, welcome back. So getting right into this, I'm adding 3 layers of this neon in yellow color because it's pretty sheer. I'm also gonna be using this green polish here. Now this one is not gel, so I am gonna be letting these air dry for about 5 minutes. So I went ahead and added 2 more layers of that green polish because it was pretty sheer as well. And I went ahead and made these apple stickers on my Cricut. So I'm going to be placing them on 2 of my nails for each hand. I'm carefully taking these out with some tweezers, and I'm going to be placing them really good, making sure that they are sticked on because I don't want no lifting. I'm going to place the other one right on top, do the same thing, press on it really good. And once it's good, I'm going to add a layer of top coat. So I'm going back with this green polish here, and I'm going to be creating some green goo for this now. For my next nail, I'm adding this glitter and some base gel. I'm making sure that I dust off any loose glitter, and now I'm going to be going in with this red polish. I'm going to be adding some red goo on these nails. Once I cured them, I went ahead and added some rhinestones. So I'm gonna go back with this green polish here, and I'm gonna be going over that green goo that I made earlier because I decided to add some of that green glitter on top. And this is how my nail set turned out, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.